turned off Marilake over there. And we're on the home stretch to Treasure Mountain, finally.
Hello friends and welcome back to Ride XP. Today, BB Moto and I are taking these little Rakal 125cc dual sport bikes up the rough road to the Treasure Mountain campsite in Tanay, Rizal. This is just the first of two parts, so don't forget to subscribe to see another epic off-road adventure made possible by ATV Adventures Rizal. Let's go and get that XP.
So glad we took the bikes. Wow, what a great view there. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's nice. Look at the view. Wish I could get my hands on that property, right? Oh, these places, so nice. Woo! There it is. Take that shit. Woo, ganda! This place looks nice. Wow. Oh, there it is. We're going up there. See that? Yung kubo? Doon eh, no? Yung may structure. Ang ganda! Woo! Beautiful little trail. That van is pretty brave. But it's also gonna slow us down. Oh boy. Like literally right at the last mile, meron pang huling obstacle. Look at him go. Oh, that makes me so nervous. Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Intense. So, I did it without rolling the camera because masyado ako na pressure to demo going up that hill climb with Pia. So sayang. Ano ba yan? The most interesting part of the entire thing, and I didn't get the footage, so hopefully I get Pia taking it. Yeah! Yeah! Like, di ba senior, gumaganon talaga, ano, nawawala talaga yung rear tire.
I was like, I can't see anything.
Right, home stretch. Look at this, what a beautiful place. Wow. That's an aggressive sounding bike. Sorry. Hindi naman po, sorry. Wow, unbelievable.
So pretty.
Si Architect Banjo.
Sir, thank you for having us.
Sila po yung filmmaker.
Look at this place. Wow.
So nice.
I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. This is beautiful. You have a rope course.
You have a hammock over there. You have a course. And there's
There's like this garden there. and just mountains as far as you can see, and look like there's like, you know, kubo dun sa ridge.
Police? One police ba yun?
Yeah.
I see, diba?
There's a chow chow. Unreal. It's so beautiful. I don't remember seeing it like this in like social media or YouTube. So beautiful. And this is the campsite. It's like the actual campsite.
So here's what's up. So Treasure Mountain, as some of you know, has been open for a while now, but you know, as like everybody else here, they've closed because of the lockdown, and it seems that they've used the opportunity, the closure, to basically reimagine and convert Treasure Mountain into this high-end destination, and to also make it more sustainable, basically to really reduce the number of people that are coming here, make it upscale. Yeah, so the sun's coming down, so soon we should be able to get some great shots.